Here we have the Eastshine Smart Charger, the S2 model. It's compatible with a whole plethora of different sizes and types of batteries. Comes with a car charger, AC cable, and the charger itself. It's got a display in the front. The car charger cable is about 50 inches long. So we're looking at a couple inches over 4 feet. The AC cable is 42 inches long. So it's a little bit shorter than the car charger. I have 2 flashlights. I don't know the current state of charge. They both take lithium-ion 18650 batteries. So I want to see what this charger can do. These are both button top 18650 batteries. One is a ThruNite and the other one is a Victagen. Alright, so it states connect the AC cable first. Alright, this is what the display looks like here. It's basically showing the batteries are empty because there's nothing installed into the base. Let's try this first one here. Yeah, so that was a low state of battery charge here. Now, supposedly, this charger can charge 2 batteries, even of different types, separately. So I'm going to go ahead and attach the other one. It looks like the other one has more of a full charge. Alright, so fast forwarding a bit, you'll see the one on the right already finished charging because that one pretty much almost had a full charge, while the left one is independently still charging. So it looks like both batteries have finished charging. Right now it flashes between the voltage. We're getting about 4.19 on the left one and 4.21 on the other one. It also gives you the time left for charging. So it gives you a bunch of information here, which is beneficial. So here I have another 18650 along with an Olight RCR 123A. So it looks like the state of charge on the RCR is already full, and the 18650 just needs a little bit of topping off. When comparing the previous battery charger I had, that one broke rather quickly. It didn't stand up to the test of time. This one does feel and look like it is of better build quality and will last and stand up better to the test of time.